Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Electoral Commission announcement on Betu Jaffa Sika Obi Opeso di Ghana man penyen ya ni Obi Opeso ya Ghana mrahye bedwani ese omutua no Oha obi oho ana
Minia mendase memfa konya nso nchi abusuafo won kan ne mpɔtam no be mutie nyina minia obehwa CDD Ghana na yen sister coalition Codeo consistently yakasa fa cost of politics I wo Ghana in general now for cost of politics like I say about so anata manyomusem kanoa enye filing fee nkwa na eka ho ye free when it's saying contest na primaries and stand a parliamentary candidate are qualify echo contest to the constituency and stand up qualify unqualified ye fan campaign of be nyina kabum ye back presidential candidates so the same thing who contest primaries and stand up qualify be party name asan akọ file nomination fee and stand out to the entire country at the campaign na eniema miensa na bribia no ya na ede ye studio ehwe ho edi kan no ye Ghana hankasa no yen growth rate na afenso so yen salary and remunerations na etoso bio yen structures e wo ho a yetimi ede check abuse of friend saying incumbency and that's abuse of resources because you need the papa be able to track amount of appropriate audited accounts. I mean, you can be a security free buyer. And the chat to crowd instance like cable media about post elections environment. They or qualify oba bemuno. A quite of a first will be recruit investment or during the campaign. They won't qualify no instance so about so na memu the impo of any pabe tenor obetumi akoso operate ya fenipa 10 na nkasa na isani mami ensa we ya ehwe ne de etito ho na em say sa worried mean enye ye nko a so 2018 economic commission ECOWAS commission of electoral commission members omushiaye major concern was the high cost of elections in Africa. ECOWAS community to the extent say we commission research into it. No back together as member nations. No more require so. In fact, kasa wo honi nyina de tuja. Yen the SDD Ghana yetimi science research our parliamentary candidates in kwa ho. Na ye no I think it's 2017 or 2018. Yen figure ba out no. Ubia or parliamentary candidacy or go through primaries, go through constituency elections, One say $85,000 United States dollars. Ka was saying no. Yami Obusa say parliamentary be 4 years the entire 4 years allowance is send it na all spendi bi kra na those one spendi bi mpa e kan nyina bo mo eyese. Tini nyina mi e ka say ya hwe ya the high cost of elections Ebema corruption rise to the extent that yentimi sia no. Inti ya worried nyina nti na ye nwanwa say Mami J Mensa oba office no so obehwa ne kasa yemu ni priority ne say obema a car ewa abatoɔ so no ebekɔ from kra. In fact, I will sign on the first statement that you will be a national canon. Not your boy and some man on it. So say 50,000 Ghana cedis na year 2016. If you be having and now be you can be. In the case, so I 100% up no. Na ye mama. In the media, and since I saw was so a massive Ghana in India hono. And you win kwa ya ye ho adwuma aye ho research project.
Okay. Na yɛhwɛ 50% 100% up here wo kan ho asɛm comparatively yɛhwɛ the previous elections no no yɛtu mu about 400% into 900% and just say ɛnyɛ deɛ ɔkan na no no ana nominal figures na ka ho asɛm
minia ya say amanyofo ni amanyosem say compare history as a faso ni so say change system adere nyina nse yese car no the tires no okoto we go ase na nye dimento bi o say okay Any baby I'm a ton on to you, but I can hand them back over before. When you're she, yeah, Casse a battle suicide so no, and yet it to and yet. So to 50%, to 20%, what it cannot cost in nominal terms, 100,000 Ghana cedis. Other people cry no more compared to for primary school, which is saying intellectual committee 100,000 then. We are talking about the management of institutions of our country. Electoral commission, the ANC committee will taxpayers' money in the addition. In this electoral commission, and so you know, analyzing in the say. A car may be Ghana for Chia Dada. Ghana for the Mammy Scat Bomb Bra. It is a make via once you transfer the banner, be effect of Ghana for in Aswana. And no cross act Danchaya, Miaka Electoral Commission, no, Miss Systems, no authority, the SM track abuse of certain by having audited accounts from the Electoral Commission. How effective am I able to do it? It is a structure so in internal could justify say will be increasing in percentage terms 400. It means in percentage terms my 100,000 Ghana. You are just justifying the wrongdoing from yesteryears.
Na yansha enhwehwemu amu ye. Emu baako ne se eye samanyoko ofui se omo pere omo ho elections na eka agwo bo ansa na nipa no etibenya tumi no. Ana we so de eyamanyokuo no as a whole ana ekwakotua amanyokuo akasefo ayenim se omu ni nkura won benya nipa be 4 million. I start to be corrected though. 4 million members woman no membership drive no obi ayi 1 cedi kura won benya 4 million Ghana cedis won betimi atibi de akwakotua
ought to be obi ayi 1 cedi kura benya 400 million de akoya adwuma menua wanya amanyokuo bi audited account ehu sources of income da.
Eno ne de ye hui
Who be that? What I say? Yes, Yamajuko, and the first point, a new sources of income. And I need the transfer governance, but corruption, can as soon as you know. Only akron Orban or Sebium Predia, some MP, some president, some year where men called Tommy Papaja Pade, and family president, maybe we are a man go free, Mexica. It's yet one a kaya benina, nina, a car on your 4-body back office. No cover for so back here. Minia Kabila by a contribution or sister radio station, a friend is a piece of him. Or say you're charging no, we need the bill of physical fee. Into a so contest for general secretaryship of his party. Or Kobunko to your party or semi-nibi. Me abofra mi kosuku kra mi wiye. Inti munte so when it is about 40,000 Ghana cedis. 40,000 Ghana cedis ukrano. Nko for da Roman with Michiae. There's a mini Kabila ebe CPP CPP secretaryship na nkasa sika sen onye free onom. Ne bisa hu say 40,000 better than what Michia. It's really na investigation as a minimum na ye dey to hu ye. Ni hu say ye ba ma ye DBB bibi beba ansa na bi ana bibi ma ye man na bi gbembo na be kosen. And I make us say, even in the regional body, the ECOWAS itself is expressing worry about these things. And we need to check about it. What is that for pen if factor? They calculate say, Ubia Oko primaries as a parliamentary candidate, I was say at least $85,000. They calculate obedi 4 years. 4 years, so a friend is saying 48 months. Calculating salary, I would you as a parliamentary, let it free never ready, but can never say a difference of being our infant. Na you obedi MP no kra no onkọ ne mpehua so nkoye adwuma on montoa on to fuel on nya hwe on tia ne danka tesika na nkasa be so ana we analysis we na na ye na ye me ni ko hu say ye be critical citizens we hold the amanyofo accountable we anya star da bia corruption na ye kan wasem no enko fom da because me se me bedi MP a me nko tomi ma me kokoo fom fa me di MP na me nja me kokoo fom na nshikeke me ba me pe kwan bia me fa so me say come back to my mother.
okay.
How do I get it? That is the whole thing. Yes, we be board so much number board sikako all ban no or the bibi na buy we menya minister ni we menya hwe ye na koto board so na nsem bebre aba enti say yakase di ya nhwe amanyaso kwan amanyofo fa so ebe di akonwa na ya amane memu ahenhan a ebeko so de bia corruption beko. Second aspect ne say consistently we are killing our smaller parties. No be can every time you go to partner another community no more FM the same station. No more can say, oh, big parties need to be smaller parties. Even MP for no cry no the well-to-do no agreement. All these things are not democratic. You democracy in a negative way. The smaller parties tend to cry from the system because they will have to align to a party to be able to survive as a party.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.